had given me the role of their uncle, as I had been with them since the beginning. So I had the important job of always keeping watch of them when she wasn't. One day, my mom shouted that there was a large gathering of people at the pond, so I ran to see what was going on. A police officer was slowly approaching Walden while Karen was next to him. The instant I saw that, my heart sunk and slowly moved to the front of the small crowd. The police officer picked up Walden and held him in a baby hold and looked towards the crowd. Officer, is this anyone's duck? Me, terrified. Yes, sir. Their name is Walden. Officer, what's wrong with the duck? Me, they have lead poisoning. The main owner is giving them treatment from the vet. Karen, in the stereotypical Karen voice. I thought it had a broken leg because it was moving weird. The officer then proceeded to swing Walden and hold him upside down by the legs. Poor Walden started trying to get free, and Delilah was looking up at the cop and quacking. At this rate, I was shaking with anger and fear, but I didn't want to risk anything with the cop. The Karen then had the audacity to pity my baby because he had such terrible owners. Out of some miracle, one of DL's kids pulled up and practically flew out of their car. DL's son, what the heck are you doing? Cop, is this yours? Swings Walden forward, still holding him by the legs. DL's son, yes, now put him the heck down. The officer then proceeded to drop Walden, and Delilah ran up and did the closest thing to a hug that a duck can do. DL's daughter then came running up from her house with DL on the phone. After she came, I could hear DL chewing the officer out, and the phone wasn't even on speaker. When I got home, I collapsed and just kinda cried. It was so stressful. Aftermath. DL and I both happened to meet at the pond when going to check on Walden. She tells me in no uncertain terms what she would have done to that cop if she was there, and we just laughed the incident off. She thanked me for speaking up and told me that Walden would have most likely been put down. Well, that's my story. Sorry if it wasn't the best format-wise. I'm writing this on my phone, and it's my first post on Reddit. I am doing my job. It's just not with this company. I'm a security guard. With everything going on, we've gotten a lot of new companies and contracts, and there have been several stores that hire my company for mask enforcement, basically refusing service for anyone who tries to walk in without a facial covering. This event took place at one of those new contracts for a home improvement job, one that promises that you can save big money shopping here. My job at this location is extremely simple and narrow. If I see someone walk in without a mask, I stand between them and the gate, inquire as to their lack of a mask, and give them the option of purchasing one for less than 50 cents at the nearby customer service desk if they do not have one of their own. For the most part, people are kind and understanding. Many of them apologize, saying they forgot, and quickly dig out a mask from their pocket or a purse and go on about their way. One day, however, I met the Karen. Lineup. We've got me. We've got customer service employee. We've got the manager, and we've got the Karen. I had just stopped an elderly gentleman and asked if he had a mask. He laughed, pulled it out of his pocket, saying he always forgets, put it on, and walked through the turnstile. As I'm having a conversation with him, in walks Karen, staring me down, no mask, and almost runs into the elderly gentleman as she tries to rush past me. I, however, step in her way with a kind smile. Hello, ma'am. Do you have a mask today? No, and I don't need one either. Me. I'm sorry. However, the store policy states that everyone is required to wear one. If you need one, you can get one over there, pointing to customer service desk, for just 42 cents. I told you, I don't need a mask. I just need a washing machine. Where are they? Me. I don't know where the washing machines are. However, I can't let you pass this point without a mask. Please either get one on, or see the customer service desk to purchase one. What do you mean you don't know where the washing machines are? What kind of incompetent worker are you? Me. I'm not an employee of this store. I work for a third-party security company. I do not know the store, but you cannot go through these gates without a mask. During this time, Karen tries to walk around me multiple times. I keep stepping in front of her, keeping my hands low, and calmly repeating, you need a mask. Karen, you obviously work here, and I don't like your attitude. Either tell me where I can get a washing machine, or get the heck out of my way. Me, pointing to the employee. They will be more than happy to help you find what you need, as well as sell you a mask so that you can shop here. At this point, the employee realizes that something isn't right, as for the most part, as a guard, I smile and wave, pace, and don't really interact with customers. So when I'm no longer smiling, standing still, and speaking with a customer, this usually means that something is going wrong. Employee, hello, what can I do to help?